Hey beauty lovers, welcome to Beautyistic. If you're anything like me, finding that perfect nail polish color is an art form, something that truly speaks to your personality. And today, I've got something truly special to share. Essie's Seize the Crown from their exclusive Disney Snow White collection. This deep emerald green, with its yellow undertones and green pearls, is an absolute showstopper. Now, Essie is a name we all know for bringing salon-quality nail colors right to our fingertips, and this polish is no different. It promises flawless coverage, a glossy shine, and of course, an easy glide brush that ensures a streak-free, even application every time. So let's take a closer look and see how it really measures up. First off, the color. Essie describes Seize the Crown as a deep emerald green, but I'd add that it's got this beautiful yellow undertone that gives it a touch of warmth. And those green pearls? They catch the light in the most mesmerizing way, giving it a unique shimmery finish without being too over the top. It's elegant yet bold, perfect for anyone who wants to make a statement but in a more refined, regal way. As for the formula, this is where Essie really shines. The Seize the Crown polish is vegan, so no animal-derived ingredients here, which is a big plus for anyone concerned about cruelty-free beauty. It glides on smoothly, and I found it gave me full coverage in just 2 coats, which is what you want for a nail polish that's supposed to deliver salon-quality results. No streaks, no patches, just flawless, glossy nails. Speaking of glossy, that shine is real. There's no need for a top coat with this one, though of course, you can always add one if you want that extra punch of shine. The formula dries fairly quickly too, which I appreciated because I didn't have to sit around waiting for my nails to dry. Plus, I noticed the wear was pretty impressive. After a few days, there was minimal chipping, which is great for a color this vibrant. Now, on to the Easy Glide brush. This is a game changer. The brush is designed to fit every nail size, which means no more awkward angles or missing spots. The bristles fan out just enough to give you full coverage with each stroke, making the whole process easier, especially if you're not a pro at at-home manicures. Let's talk about the value for money. With Essie, you know you're getting a premium product, but that doesn't mean it's overpriced. At $9 for 0.46 felt odds, it's within the range of what you'd pay for a salon-quality polish. And considering the performance, the easy application, the flawless finish, and the longevity, it's definitely worth the investment if you're looking for a long-lasting, vibrant polish. But of course, if you're in the market for something similar but more budget-friendly, there are plenty of alternatives out there. OPI and Sally Hansen offer some great options with similar color payoffs and formulas, though I'd say Essie's shine and wear time do give it a bit of an edge. When it comes to customer support, Essie has always had a good reputation for being responsive, but I didn't need to reach out for this one, so I can't speak to that firsthand for this product. In terms of longevity, I've had this polish on for about a week now, and it's still looking great. No dulling, no major chips. I'll be curious to see how it holds up after a couple more weeks, but so far, so good. So what's the verdict? Seize the Crown is a beautiful, rich green with a touch of elegance. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a salon-quality polish that's easy to apply, long-lasting, and cruelty-free. It's bold enough to make a statement, but still refined enough to wear every day. If you love Essie and are a fan of unique, luxurious shades, I think you'll love this one. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried Seize the Crown or any of the other shades from the Essie x Disney Snow White collection, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.